Hello. Let us see how we can install the Physicist web application on our desktop computers. Be it a Windows PC, a Linux, or a MacBook, you can install the Physicist web application on your desktop by using the method described in this video. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your desktop PC or Mac or Linux computer. Visit thephysicist.in. Once the website has fully loaded, you can have two options to install, two ways to install the Physicist web application. First, you can choose the install application prompt in the URL bar, or you can go to the three dot menu and choose to install the Physicist here. So once you click on that option, there will be a prompt, and in this prompt, if you choose to install, then in just a few seconds the application will be installed on your computer. If you wish to see how the application looks like, it looks like this. So when you open this application, you can do everything that you do with the physicist.in using a Google Chrome browser. That's it. Thank you very much.